Air Jordan 3 Cardinal Red. Must cop, must cop, must cop. If you haven't already, go and hit that subscribe button right now. And y'all also can follow us on IG at Clones TV. Trey, what do you think about these Air Jordan 3 Cardinal Red? Talk to me. Man, look. Those hoes, they hot. That's a must cop for me too, man. Those hoes fire, man. You know, kind of remind me of the Racer Blue. But you just got your red and you got your light gray elephant print there. The only thing bother me with the Cardinal Red is the orange. That's the only thing I have a problem with is the orange. They should have left that red like the rest of the part on the shoe that's red. But other than that, we gonna get them in a collection. If we don't get them retail, we going to get them resale. Stock X this time. Cause Goat messed over me with the cool grade Lovins. But the shoe hot, the shoe fire. Not a huge fan of Jordan 3s, but anything red, gonna get it. Must cop. Well, look, we gonna get them in the collection. And when we get them here, we will do an unboxing and on foot review. Yep. So what say y'all? Y'all gonna get them? Y'all not? Y'all gonna pass on them? You know, let your boy know in the comment section. You know, and tell me what you think about them. We gonna get them. So, and when we do, y'all gonna be the first to see. All right, we out. Peace.